I'm here with
Monica.
Monica, and we just finished this event here in Fort Lauderdale. And just wanted to ask you, how did you come across Trader's Edge, and were you investing before, or?
I was absolutely investing before on my own, but really a minimal,
Hmm.
amounts. I've always worked in companies that where I've been surrounded by traders, but
Hmm.
never actually did on my own as
Okay.
much. And but always so fascinated and wanting to get involved
Hmm.
with it. And I really was driving in my car, and I did hear your voice, and I thought, what the heck? I'm going to call this up
Okay.
and investigated, and I liked what I heard,
Hmm.
and it continued, and now I'm here with my first retreat, so
Awesome.
that's
And
kind
so,
of
did you
cool.
make your first trade?
I've made many
Oh,
trades.
okay, okay.
Yeah, in
You're
fact,
here for the first time,
for the first time at the
but
retreat.
so what have
Exactly.
the trades done for you? I mean, compared to what you knew before?
um well, I mean, it's wonderful to say that I've been able to replace. I resigned from where I was
Oh
working. I
my
started
gosh!
doing it at the same time, and then I thought it looked like something that I could actually do,
Wow.
and gave it a shot, and figured, okay, I'll find a job if this does not work out.
Hmm.
And I've been able to match and actually surpass my past
Can't
salary, which
believe
is,
it.
and
Good
it's
for
been less
you.
less than a year.
We're so happy you came
Oh, it's been a
to the
pleasure.
Trader's Edge network.
I mean, you
Yeah.
guys are extraordinary. I think you really, you care if people do well, and you really want people to do well.
Hmm.
And I've been part of other ones, and I got refunds on my
Hmm.
investment because it didn't talk to me the way you guys do.
Mm.
It has been life changing for sure,
That's amazing. And
for
is it
sure.
does it require less time now that you've learned it a little bit versus there's traders out there that you have like 8 screens and you're going around crazy all the time, or are
Yeah,
you able to have a life?
I absolutely have a life,
Hmm.
but I do enjoy looking at it. And since
Hmm.
I'm still learning a great deal,
Hmm.
I'm going to continue to do that.
Hmm.
But again, it's because I'm getting such a kick out of it. But I can see that you don't have to do that.
Yeah.
You can leave it
Hmm.
alone. People's opinions of options. I
Hmm.
mean, the dialogue with options is like, oh my God, you're going to lose all your money, and now I feel that it's actually safer than buying and selling stocks.
Hmm.
There's so much more flexibility
Hmm.
that
Yeah.
people that make those comments just don't, understand. And
Hmm.
I'm not that sophisticated yet, but it's even that is working to my
That's
advantage.
awesome. We sure
Thank
appreciate
you.
you
Oh,
being the
thank you.
client. Yeah.
Yeah,
Appreciate you
pleasure.
coming.
Oh, thank you
Great
so
to
much.
meet you.
It was great to meet you
Yeah.
and everybody.
Yeah.
So
Thank you
wonderful.
so much. Hope you travel safe.
Thank you.